What's the Fed going to do? Every day we have a Fed speaker on the tape, it feels like, and it also feels like they're kind of starting to tell us, tap us on the forehead. Hey, we might move sooner than you think. What do you think?
Well, right now, what we're really seeing is a chasm forming between the Board of Governors and the regional presidents. The regional presidents, in general, seem much more interested in getting this show on the road and starting to at least talk about tapering. Whereas what we're hearing from the governors is more reluctance about when we start to even talk about tapering. So there's a big difference. Just yesterday, we heard from Lael Brainerd, who talked about how she thinks we're very far away from our goals. That was a very different story from what we heard from Patrick Harker, who wants to at least start talking about tapering. But I think we're headed in the direction of tapering, and we're going to hear more and more noise about it from the Fed. So much Fed speak that by the time the fall rolls around, we're going to beg them to start tapering just so we stop hearing about it.
And well said. And will we get a taper tantrum, Christina? They will taper at some point, pending some sort of black swan event. What happens then? What happens to stocks? What happens to bonds?
Well, I think the Fed is doing it right in terms of over communicating, right? Communicate often and communicate loudly. And that's what they're doing so that we're very, very comfortable with that idea. And I think they'll go very gently in terms of the level of tapering at first. And so I don't expect us to see any kind of significant taper tantrum. And that's really what they want to avoid. And I think they'll be able to do it.
You actually, in some of your latest pieces, Christina, always good reading, mentioned the mobility data that I just referenced as well. And what I'm looking at also is Europe. Europe seems like they're kind of where we were a few months ago. I wonder if there's better opportunities over there.
Well, that's a great question. And I think, yes, European equities have longer legs because Europe is really following in the path of the U.S. The vaccine rollout hasn't been as quick in Europe, but they're catching up slowly. And so I think that their future is our present. And we're seeing a really nice, strong economic rebound.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.